What's up, guys? All right, let's start. So today as well, we are going to uh, practice the same strategy that we practiced yesterday. Yesterday, it seemed to have worked out. So today, again, we are going to do the same strategy. This time, let's try it on Forex market. This is the USD Canadian dollar pair. So yeah, let's see. Let's backtest and see if it works out. Let's go back to what? Let's go back to any random place. All right. Let's go back here. All right. Okay. So what does our strategy say? Strategy say start with the higher time frame. Find out the liquidity pockets. Uh, yeah, let's move this here. Cool. So here I can see a pivot here. Uh, Wait, what? Yeah, I can see a pivot here. There, so the idea of marking this pivot is that I expect some stops, buy stops to be here. Buy stops, yeah, buy stops to be here. So price might want to take that liquidity. There's a fair value gap here, but we'll mark it on. Oh, there's another pivot. So basically, a pivot is, I mean, if a wick stands out to you, like it's prominent, it prominently stands out, that means it's a pivot, right? Okay, now let's go to the daily chart. Let's see. So what I'm looking for order blocks, fair value gaps, and pivots, right? So let's see. Any order blocks? No order block here. No order block here. No, no. This no, not an order block. Um, so yeah, that's no order blocks. Fair value gaps. Yep, we have fair value gaps. Let's mark it out. Let's color it on orange. Yep, fair value gap. That's another fair value gap where the price seems to be filling it. So I'm not gonna mark it out now. Fair value gap. Fair value gap. Right. Okay. On daily chart done. 4 hour chart. Let's do this fast. I have only 5 minutes. Right. Pivot. We can mark it out. Though there's a pivot right above it. So I'm not sure how relevant this pivot is. That's what backtesting is for, to find out. That's a pivot. I would like to mark out this pivot. Right, because you can see that this is clearly a level, this to here, clearly a support. So there is going to be sell stops below this. All right, what else? Any order blocks? Order blocks? Order blocks? Nope, I don't find any order blocks. Nope. Okay, so looks like we are done with marking out our liquidity on the higher time frames. I just want to take a look at the market structure as well to get a bias for longs or shorts. So this is my 4 hour. Oh, it's a clear uptrend. See, low, high, lower low, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. It failed to make a higher high, but this is still a uptrend, right? But if you zoom out further, I don't want to zoom out that much. So my bias is for longs at this point. When will I switch my bias to shorts? When I see a break of, let me think. If I see a break of this low, if price closes below this level, I think I will switch my bias to shorts. I think that will be fair enough. I think that will be fair enough. Yeah, I think so. This seems like a key level, and if price breaks this one and closes below it, I feel like we'll shift to shorts. Okay, so that is the first orange line. Okay, keep in mind. Let's go. So price for what is the second step in our strategy? First step is obviously to mark out this liquidity pocket. Second step is basically to wait till the price reaches our point of interest, right? Okay, so let's do this for our, let's do this fast, guys. Okay, price, what are you doing? Looks like, okay, it went down. It came into our point of interest, and now it seems to be reversing. Okay, so at this point, we will switch to our lower time frames because we are looking for a reversal. When price reaches our point of interest, after that we look for a reversal. And yeah, this is the lowest point. This is the high that created this low. If price break, this is the 15-minute chart. If price breaks this high, I'm going to switch to long and enter at my fair value gap. So let's see what does price do. Okay, created further low. Still just ranging, ranging, ranging. What do you want to do, price? Trying to break above. Let's take out this pivot. It's clearly been mitigated at this point. All right, let's take it off. Okay. So see, I'm waiting for price to break this. Okay, let's mark it out. Actually, I would be more comfortable with it's a very damn long week, man. Let's see what price this. Oh, broke down, broke down the range. I think took some liquidity, and now I think it's starting to go up. So now I won't. I don't think I will wait until here. This is the lowest low, and this is the high that created that low. So I'm gonna wait for price to break this high, and then I'm gonna switch. I'm gonna enter longs, or or you can also say that this is the low that created. This is the high. This is the high that created this low, and it has the price has broken market structure. We can take a higher risk entry at this point and basically enter here at the fair value gap. And I think I'm going to do that. This is wait, this is pretty high risk. You know why? Because there's a, you see there's a liquidity, the orange line below the liquidity, there's liquidity right below there, right below there. So price might just want to like come back down and take that liquidity. We don't know. So yeah, it's I'm not gonna take this entry. It's a pretty high risk. I'll wait for the price to go above. Okay, what am I trying to do? Yeah, it came back down. But if we had taken that entry, you see, if we had taken that entry here, yeah, then it would have like we would have like made this kind of profit. But yeah, it doesn't matter. It's already 9 minutes. I mean, the reason why I like to do short videos is because YouTube has some problem. It doesn't let me upload longer videos, so I can't do like 15-minute, 20-minute long videos. So I gotta make sure price is in our point of interest. I'm waiting for a reversal at this point. Okay, I will wait for price to break this high. Remember, our bias is still long from that overall market structure that we saw in the beginning. Okay, so I think I'm gonna switch my bias to long now. I mean, I'm gonna enter a long now. Market clearly broke this side, clearly broke here. Right, okay. I think I'm more inclined to enter long at this. There are two fair value gaps you can see. One is here, this small little fair value gap, and the other one here. Uh, the concept of premium and discount, it says that the price leg that broke the market structure, which is like from here to here, this is the entire price leg that broke the market structure. We should enter the long at the discount region of that, so somewhere like below half of this leg. So it would be somewhere, so that it would mean that we should enter here. But usually what happens, a lot of times what happens is that when price moves with such a big impulse, such a big displacement, it does not come back all the way back down, and it might just come back to this fair value gap, or it might not even come back there. So I don't know. Let's see, I'm kind of sure my price won't get filled. All right, what the hell happened here? I missed my entry by a bit. Okay, Jesus Christ. Okay. I'm likely gonna get stopped out. I'm gonna move my stop to below here. Hey, I would have. Yay. That's a good trade. Okay, it kind of worked out, but I'm still not very confident in my strategy. Okay, basically, so what we did today was right. We marked out the higher time frame point of interest, which was this pivot. No, no, this is not a pivot. This one we marked out later. We were waiting for market to uh, break that structure there. So we marked out this fair value gap previously, if you remember, on the 4-hour chart or on the daily chart. We marked it out on the daily chart, right? See this fair value gap, we marked it on the daily chart. That was our point of interest. Then from there, we were waiting for price to come down to a point of interest. It came down. As soon as it came down to a point of interest, we are looking for a reversal, and we switched to lower time frames, and uh, our and then our method is, once we switch to lower time frame, we are waiting for market structure to break a swing high, and then after that we'll enter on a fair value gap, right? So that is basically what we did. All right, we'll try this strategy again a few more times, and hopefully we'll get a better understanding of it. All right, guys, thanks for watching, and let me know if you have any questions. Bye bye.